to all the little ones and toy lovers. Today, I'm excited to introduce a fun and unique toy. This yellow mini ATM from the Duckbill Baby brand. This isn't just any toy, it's a special one that allows kids to experience using an ATM in a realistic, educational way. Let's dive in and explore all the exciting features of this mini ATM. This ATM toy has a bright yellow design, making it both adorable and friendly. At the top, it displays the text ATM Bank, along with the signature Duckbill Baby Duck icon, instantly catching attention. It's packed with realistic details, including a display screen, a numeric keypad, a card slot, and even a cash dispenser slot. What's special about this ATM toy is its functional buttons that mimic real ATM operations. Kids can withdraw money, deposit money, and even check their balance by entering a PIN and following the steps on the keypad. Playing with this ATM toy helps children understand how banks operate and teaches them basic financial skills at a young age. Kids can insert an ATM card into the card slot on the machine, enter their PIN, and perform various transactions. When they press the withdraw button, the machine will dispense play money through the slot below. There's also an on-off switch to save battery power, adding a realistic touch to the experience. This toy isn't just for fun, it's a tool to help kids learn how to manage and use money wisely. I think kids will love pretending to be real customers at the bank, making transactions just like adults. They can even role-play with friends or family members, taking turns as the bank clerk or customer, making learning and playtime enjoyable.
选择您的理财项目，请收好您的小金卡，感谢您的使用，欢迎您下次光临。请选择您的理财项目，请收好您的小金卡，感谢您的使用，欢迎您下次光临。
Today, I'm excited to introduce a very special and adorable toy, this yellow duck-themed vending machine. This isn't just a simple toy, it's a fun, interactive experience that lets us feel like we're actually buying drinks from a real vending machine. Let's dive into every detail of this little machine together. This vending machine comes in a bright, cheerful yellow color with cute little duck illustrations on different drink options like milk, soda, coffee, and orange juice. These little ducks aren't just decorations, they add a lively touch, making the toy even more attractive. Each type of drink has its own button, and all you have to do is pick the one you like, press the button, and watch as a mini bottle drops down into the tray below, just like a real vending machine. On the front, you'll see 4 colorful buttons, each representing a different drink. When you press any of these buttons, the selected drink will slide down into the retrieval compartment below, creating an exciting experience as if you're actually using a vending machine. There's even a coin slot on the side to simulate the action of inserting coins, making it feel even more realistic. This little detail not only makes the toy more engaging, but also sparks curiosity, helping kids understand how a real vending machine works. This toy can also help children learn to recognize and differentiate between various types of drinks, develop observation skills, and improve their hand-eye coordination. Additionally, by pressing the buttons to choose a drink and waiting for the bottle to fall, kids will practice patience and learn to embrace the anticipation, an essential life skill. But that's not all. I want to share some creative ways to play with this vending machine. You can set up a mini drink shop at home, invite friends or family members to join, and take turns being the customer and the store clerk. We can role-play as store staff or customers, making up fun stories together. This kind of play encourages social interaction and sparks imagination, which is great for a child's development. The charming yellow duck-bill baby toy house. This isn't just an ordinary house. It's a small world filled with cute, whimsical designs that will captivate everyone's attention. Let's explore every little corner of this delightful house together. This toy house is shaped like a tiny mushroom house with a bright yellow roof and lots of adorable decorative details. On top of the house, you'll see a cute little duck waving "Hi," making it look so friendly and welcoming. The roof is also decorated with cheerful icons like flowers, stars, and other cute designs, creating a lively, colorful space. In front of the house is a big yellow door with an easy-to-open handle. You can open this door to explore the inside of the house, making up stories and fun scenarios. Kids can imagine themselves living in this little house, along with other characters or toys, creating a unique, imaginative world of their own. Aside from being a charming toy, this house helps children develop hand-eye coordination as they play, discover tiny details, and encourages imagination. Kids can create unique stories about this house, like it being the cozy home of a cute duck or a shelter for small characters in the toy world. And there's more. I have some fun ideas for playing with this duck-bill baby house. Kids can invite friends or siblings to join and take on roles of characters who live in the house. They could imagine it's a small party inside the house or a visit from other toy friends. These kinds of role-playing games not only provide endless fun, but also help develop social skills and foster friendships.